Hi, and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to recover your Gmail password without phone number and recovery email. So we can do that through our browser, whether it's Safari or Chrome. It depends on you. And now we need to type this link. accounts.google.com/signin/recovery and click search. Now we need to enter the email address we want to recover. Click next button. And here you need to enter your password, but since we want to recover it, we need to click try another way button. And here you need to enter the last password you remember when using this Google account. But if you still can't remember this password, you need to tap try another way once again, and there will be option of recognizing your device as a trusted device. You may see check your iPhone to confirm it is you. And then on your iOS device, you need to tap yes, and eventually set a new password. And here is one tip. You need to use the same device and location where you previously signed into Gmail for best results. And another option, after clicking try another way, there may be answer. You can answer to security questions. For example, when did you create your Google account, or what is your usual login location? And you need to answer to these questions as accurately as possible. But of course, if those options that I have recalled earlier don't work, you need to request a Google support review. Also, you need to tap try another way, this button once again, and you may be prompted to fill out a form. And there you need to select I forgot my password and can't reset it, and then describe your problem in details. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave your thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.